type in Hlina AI. You get to the welcome page and click start here. You put in your invitation code, your first name, last name, read through the policy, and you like the username and the email is the same thing. Password, you create the password that you can remember, and that's safe and secure. You agree to the terms. So if you already have an account set up, you don't need to do this again. You just go straight to the login and put your username, password, and sign in. So once you've signed in, you will get to this landing page, currently blank, just basic welcome, and you get the study space, you get the resource enclave, you got the account zone that you have access to study zone. You get to upload files that you can work on, or you can edit text or work or manipulate texts or writings. And then sometimes you save stuff, it will be stored in the resource enclave. And you got the account zone that is there for you to manage your account password, username, and devices, and delete accounts, things like that. Now let's get to the fun stuff. Go to study space. Now first we're going to look at how to manipulate documents. So you select the PDF file and you ask Sabrina to read and study it, and she will check it out and load it up. Now you can manipulate the document that you see, zoom in and zoom out, nothing more than that. You can select text, which we will see later more, and you can adjust the browser to your liking to fit in exactly how you want to see it. And yeah, that is basically. So let's do some basic thing. So let's ask basic stuff. Sabrina, who is the author of this document? Is thinking. Boom, correct. The Global Education Monitoring Report is developed by an independent team published by UNESCO. You can also do a more complex set of tasks here. So you select the text and click copy, and you get the option of 3 options: key takeaways, summary, explain. Let's go for explain. And you see how pretty good it is in terms of Sabrina's ability to explain, aspect that you've selected in the text. You can copy that into your clipboard for use somewhere else. Now let's do another task here. Key takeaways is another interesting component in Sabrina's capability. So it can generate a set of bullet points, and you can save that, and that will be saved in the resource enclave that you see on the left side menu. And you see right there, it's given a title. So the AI gives you the title, and then it's also easily identifiable, and you can copy that and use it somewhere else. Now let's do something with that material we just copied into our resource enclave, the key points. Go to text editor, paste the text. You see there are 3 points. Now I want to give you the title to this specific document I'm working with, or this specific text I'm working with. So we put in the title, and as if I come around to coming up with a name for it. Draft writing on research assignments. That's the title to go with. Okay, we have these 3 points that you see that we copied from previous work in a document. Now we're in a text data editor space. So we wanted to kind of synthesize a bunch of paragraphs, about 3 paragraphs, one for each of the point that you see there. And so we're gonna ask Sabrina to give us draft paragraphs for first for the data weakness. Let's see what she generates. Boom, you got that. So if you take time to read it, she's got a good sense of what's going on with the point we're trying to make. Let's add another paragraph on the difficulty of COVID-19, on the impact of COVID-19. If you can manage to quickly ask the question, yeah, see, right there. And next, let's do a third paragraph for the third point that we picked up from a document that we looked at earlier. And you will see how pretty accurate her responses are in terms of making sure there's a corresponding fact that really match up. Boom, you got it. That's it. So we want to wrap up this video with a look at one important feature, one of the most important features that we have in our platform, that supports or that mimics a peer-to-peer learning, and that is AI buddies. And here you have Daniela doing, I'm asking her a question and she's gonna give you a response, but they do a pretty good job of being your peer partners, study partners. As you use our platform to study, and you have questions that you would normally ask your peers next to you as you're studying, you got now Daniela and Robel, who could do an incredible job of filling in the gap in your learning journey. So take a look at Robel and his capabilities. And we're so proud to actually bring these AI buddies to you because they are like really incredible addition to our suite of features that we have available at our launch. Here, Robel answering very mathematical questions. So Robel is a very nerdy kind of AI who focuses on numbers and maths. So here's the question that I asked that he answered pretty well. So we'll come back with more videos and more support materials, and for now we're good.